Very good morning, everyone. Hope you all are doing well. So, students, I'm here and I'm going to discuss with you another important topic that is related to your writing skills. So, students, today we are going to discuss about article writing. What is the format of an article writing? So, students, have you ever read an article? If yes, then will you please tell me where have you read an article? Yes, students, we can read an article in the newspapers, magazines or journals. So, students, newspaper you all read in your at your home. So, I have in my hand a magazine and it's very popular among all of us, that is Reader's Digest. So, here I am going to tell you that there is one article and the topic is what it takes to be royal. What it takes to be royal. And if you see here, name is given by Francis Drake and Catherine Drake. So it could be, the article could be on social issue or any topic. And if it is a social issue, then it should be in a healthy way. There should be positive language. It should be in positive way. So students, the language we use whenever we write an article, we always use formal language. Very important point. So what are the key points that should be in the article? First of all, title, and it should be in the bold letters, capital letters, and it should be very catchy so that it could arise readers' interest. Next is by. So by means who has written that article. किसने लिखा है वो article? By. Afterwards, line छोड़नी होती है and then three body paragraphs are there. तो फर्स्ट में क्या होते हैं? इंट्रोडक्शन होती है, टॉपिक से रिलेट किया जाता है फर्स्ट पैराग्राफ में कि टॉपिक के बारे में जो व्यूज है, आइडियाज है, वो डिस्कशन स्टार्ट होती है, इंट्रोडक्शन स्टार्ट होती है. Second paragraph में main content, we have to discuss the main content. Means whosoever is writing an article, that person could discuss his or her ideas, thoughts, facts, opinions about the given topic, and it should be in a positive way. Next, last is the conclusion. Means conclusion में आपने क्या यूज करना है? आपने conclude करना है और वो conclusion भी आपका healthy way में होना चाहिए. And the language you have to use, that should be formal. So students, phrases you can use in your main content when you can share your own experience as well. So phrases कौन-कौन से आप use कर सकते हो? In order to, furthermore, having said that, likewise, in other words, similarly, then again, yet, as well as, moreover, not only, but also, despite this, however, on the other hand. So these are the phrases that you can use whenever you want to discuss your ideas, thoughts, opinions. Means you can use these phrases as well. So if when you want to conclude, जब आपने अपना आर्टिकल खत्म करना है तो भी आपका पॉजिटिव अप्रोच होनी चाहिए टॉपिक जो भी आपने उठाया है. तो व्हाट आर द वर्ड्स दैट यू कैन यूज? यस, in a nutshell, to sum up, in summary, finally, overall, all in all. So these are the words that you can use whenever you are going to conclude your topic. So students, now discuss how you have to start your article when the question comes in your question paper. Yes students, like this there would be one question in your question paper related to article writing. So here, write an article on value of books in about 120 words. So students, very important point that you should not exceed the given word limit. So you have to take care of the word limit as well. So first of all, as I discussed with you, first comes title. So here, title is value of books. So you have to underline this. Afterwards, by. So here you will write down X, Y, Z. You will not write down your own name. If name is given in the question paper, so then at that time you can take the same name. Otherwise, you will not write down any name. Leave one line. It does mean you have to leave one line. Then, first paragraph would be of introduction. Second paragraph, main content. And whatever you will discuss, whatever you will write on, it should have a positive approach. Very important point, students. Next means after this, conclusion. It should be in Hindi way, positive way, or the words that you can use whenever you are going to conclude your article, topic, to sum up in a nutshell, in summary, overall, hence. So these are the words that you can use whenever you are going to conclude your topic, your article writing. After each paragraph, you have to leave one line, and after this, you will not leave any line. You will not write down any name. Students, I hope that you have understood the format of an article writing. Thank you.